Hello. So what we're gonna do today is this look that I am obsessed with. It's quite outrageous. I'm gonna start with this base. So putting this on, I'm in a bit of a rush, so we're gonna see if I can do this in. So just putting the eye primer on. Now this one dries really, if it does dry and you haven't blended it out, it's going to be a nightmare to blend it out because the dry down is very permanent. I'm going to go in with a few different palettes. I'm going to first go in with my neutral, which is that one there. Maybe just put this in like the crease and define my eye a bit. So just defining it slightly like this and then blending upwards. The middle one from Dasic. This is the Sugar Brown. I'm just going to dust it lightly on the lid here. And just bring it slightly up. The idea? Now I'm going to go in with this colour and maybe that one, these two. Get a kind of like a domed brush like this. I'm just going to go into the inner corner right here. And then slowly blend that out. And I'm just going to go up here a little bit. Just going to keep it and then dab it here. It's too late to change, so let's just keep going. I don't know if it's translating well on camera. Yeah, okay, so I'm just gonna go in with the darker blue. Just putting that in the tear duct here. Just that little corner there. We're gonna go in with some white eyeliner and we're just gonna dry this off a little bit. Careful not to get that on my contact. Okay, a little daring, but it's okay. We're just gonna go in with a bit of blush. I'm using the Patrick Tar Not Too Much on here and just lightly tap it on my high cheekbone area. Then I'm going to powder and then onto my forehead to get rid of that shine, and then under my eyes there, getting rid of that shadow. Then let's do the lashes and brows. Lashes. I literally just curl the outer corner of one eye. So I'm just going to brush it up. This one's from Flortte. Because half an hour is kind of like explaining what I'm doing. Whereas because I'm rushing right now, I'm not really explaining it. Now I'm going to put the mascara on. I'm going to use a Rhode lip peptide in Twist. And I just go bottom here. I do that and it kind of transfers on the top. Toast, because I feel like it's a good color combo to kind of mute out down the pink. So I bring these two with me. I'm just going to set my face. That is the look. The hair's not too crazy. You guys know this. The hair doesn't get too much attention because I'm always in a rush. And I'm just going to, you know what? Just do one of these. Oh, that's too much. That's it for me. That's the look. Okay, so it feels a bit rushed by the end of it, yes, but this is the look. So that's the makeup look, and I will see you next time. Bye.
I think just like, so like for example, there'll be things where like people will try to
It's like fancy, yeah.
It's a bottle of this.
Oh my god.
No, it's corn.
What is
bread.
it?
Oh, that's
Hi. Hello. This is for the vlog.
This is for the vlog.
It's for the vlog.
I've been pretty bad at vlogging today, but
We need to vlog our outfits because we're matching. Here's the city anyways, and it should be close to the city.
hi.
It's all my separating brows.
Celebrity chef, Max, P.I.K.